Okay, hello everyone. That was just like kind of crazy. Today is the 9th of April. Um, today's a Wednesday. Okay, I usually don't trade Wednesdays, but I didn't trade yesterday because I was mad tired, and I didn't trade Mondays. Yes, this shit's expensive. Let me check MNQ because it's the same setup happening. Let me see if I can take this one. Damn! On M and Q? Dude, this shit is expensive. Wait, hold on. 4. Hold on. Oh, MES? Should we just go for it? Just break my rules real quick. Yeah, that's how consistently profitable traders become consistently profitable traders, by breaking their rules, by ignoring risk management, and just going by the wind. Bro, like, how am I gonna trade all of April when something like this is worth $115? When something like this is worth, what was it, $220? Like, yeah, it's change your life money, but if it, not change your life money, but change the situation money. But it's like, if I do that and I lose, like, I lose the account. I blow the account if I lose this trade. And it's getting larger and larger. How the fuck am I gonna trade in April when all this volatility is happening, but it's costing so much to trade that I can't even trade? Like, the last time I was able to find like a decent price on a trade was, well, I can't say like it was a long time ago, it was last week. But then just that Thursday that I won, and then after that, like, prices just skyrocketed. I didn't trade it on Friday because it was expensive. Tuesdays, it had some setups, but it didn't really have like a crazy amount of setups. And look at this trade getting larger and larger. Like, I'm so pissed off right now. What if, wait, short position. You know what I should be doing? This is MNQ. I'm thinking, like, I should be like, wait, the 1 minute. Wait, I'm thinking. Hold on. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I'm thinking. What? On the 1 minute? Okay. This shit is weird. But I was thinking maybe we can go for like breakout situation. I don't know. Potentially on the 1 minute. Perhaps it'll be cheaper. But like, look at this move right here. That small little candle. Right there. Oh, hold on. I'm just doing some calculations. That's $100 right there, bro. That's mad, yo. Like, bro, they be talking about like, yeah, these markets, man, these markets is on fire right now. Like, the volatility is crazy. True. But for the niggas that have money, the fuck, like, and I can't take advantage of this on this small account unless I take a chance. Ain't that the crazy thing? Yo, I wanna go in so badly, bro. Like, that shit's really bad. Like, this shit's toxic for real. No, but like, what? I just might blow the account today. I ain't gonna cap. I just might blow the account today. I ain't even gonna cap. I'd rather take it on MES. all right, we might blow the account today. It's okay. You know what? To take a trade, why are you getting into the trade? I'm getting into the trade because I haven't traded in a while, and yeah, over leveraged. I am over leveraged a bit, quite a bit. Yeah, like $146. Like, hold on. That's 50. $66 over. Yeah. Ooh, I'm a bitch. Ooh, I'm really taking that risk. Ooh, I'm nervous. Yeah, my heart is beating because I am not doing something that's like obtaining my rules. I'm trading on a Wednesday. I'm highly like over risking. I said no more than 160 ticks, but this is worth way more than that. But I still have a sell stop on. Why are you doing this? Like, price has not, so I have time to really think. I just want to be in the markets. Like, at this rate, it's like, when am I gonna actually be in the markets? Like, all of April. Like, right now, I've only traded 2 times. In all of April, I'm looking at my P&L and I'm like, bro, like, I gotta run it up. You know, I want to prove to myself that I'm profitable. I want to prove to myself that, you know, I can be consistent. I want to prove to myself that I can win. I want to prove to myself, and this is the road that I'm taking to prove myself. And I'm also like, the rules that I have are good and proper, but like, I'm also kind of like, just go for it. Like, isn't that crazy? Like, I'm breaking my rules 100%, but I'm in my head, I'm also just like, my okay, but this is $146. No, sorry, that's not true. 146 times 1.5. This is $182 trade approximately. $182. My account is 737. 100 and let's just say $85. So my account will be down to $552 if this is an L. That fucking sucks. But I'm ready. I'm so like, I know this, if I lose, like, it's going to be a catastrophe, and I'm still here. Am I in the trade? As I said that, literally as I said that, you know, my stomach is bubbling. I have bubble gut. But it's okay. It's okay, because at the same time, I know that I will literally be okay. If this stops me out, I will be okay. No one had to die. No one suffered other than my account. Why am I taking this? Because I believe in myself. I believe in myself, and I know that it's gone. But honestly, if it don't look good, then I think I'm gonna just close. Like, I'm trying to like really be better at myself, but man, it's so hard because, you know, I'm gonna go break and retest. This is a setup that I would take. If I lose, then it'll be content, and it'll be for me to understand why we don't break our rules. And I'm in this point because I understand that I'm getting frustrated at the markets. So if I lose this trade, it's for a good reason. This is not how a consistently profitable trader, a professional trader, trades. I got into this trade solely because of emotions, because of frustrations. I didn't get into this trade because it made sense. Did I follow my rules? Kind of. I'm really just what is it? I'm really just relying on price to bail me out of a situation that I put myself in. So, honestly, if I get stopped out, it's how it was supposed to be. But yeah, I'm disappointed in myself. I didn't have to trade today. I could have just like waited for my actual day, which is tomorrow, to trade, and you know, not put myself and my account at risk like this. But I'm in this trade and I'm not gonna cut myself off of it. They'll have to stop me out. But I also won't be here to watch this trade because I have to go take care of like actual real life shit. So I'm gonna pause it, and then once I take care of that, the account will probably most likely be at 552. So you know how it is. You're in the a trade that you shouldn't be in. That's the trade that you're going to lose. So I'll be back. Most likely gonna be that I don't want it to be, but it's most likely is, especially how it's looking right now. So, but I'll be back. Okay. Oh my god. I just came back. You want to see some bullshit? Hit my TP, then hit my stop loss. The account is at $175. Amazing.